Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to walk through setting up and using your Withings Body Composition Scale. First, carefully unbox your new scale and insert the 4 AAA batteries provided. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the Withings HealthMate application. Once installed, either create a new account or log into your existing one. The app will then guide you through pairing your scale seamlessly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, getting you ready for your first measurement in just a few moments. Now that your scale is set up, let's take your first measurement. Find a hard, flat surface, like a tiled floor, and place your scale there for optimal accuracy. Step onto the scale barefoot, making sure your feet are positioned correctly on the sensors. Stand still for just a few seconds as the scale works its magic, displaying your weight and other important body composition metrics. All of this valuable data will then automatically sync to your HealthMate application, ready for you to review. With your data now in the HealthMate app, it's time to understand what it all means. Your Withings scale measures several key metrics, including your weight, body fat percentage, and muscle mass. It also provides valuable insights into your bone mass and body water percentage. The app conveniently calculates your body mass index, or BMI, and allows you to view your progress over time. You can even set personalized health goals and track your achievements, helping you stay motivated on your wellness journey. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and helpful tips for your Withings scale. Did you know it can automatically recognize up to 8 different users? If you're an athlete, activate the athlete mode in the app for even more precise body composition analysis. You can also sync your health data with many other popular fitness applications. Remember to clean your scale's surface regularly with a soft, damp cloth to maintain its accuracy and appearance. Keep an eye on the low battery indicator and replace the 4 AAA batteries when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.